Hello, I am back to show you the acrylic drawers. So I did some changes here. This was over here and this was over here, this organizer. So I put my washi on these two little acrylic drawers that I already had. So, and I do have it backwards because I don't want to show that. It says stay classy. So I put my washi tape from the kit of Heidi Swapp, and I did change this drawer. Now it has the dies, the 3 dies, and some stencils of the kits. And then here I have those extra books from Heidi Swapp. I'll tell you a story. And here, 3 of them. And then this was over here in this drawer. So I changed them and I put them standing up. So these are the cards, the little thick cards that come in a bundle. So I put them in that drawer. So, and this is the new tooth drawer. Let me move this to the side. So let me move a little back. So these are the acrylic drawers. They are longer than these, which I wish this was the size of this one. So I wish, this size was bigger like this, more out the width. So it would fit more stuff here. So these have a pull out and it's thick. Let me show you how wide they are. So here I put all of the stickers from the kit. So in the bottom I have all of my alphas and then all of the stickers that comes in this bag, and then these little stickers also, and this little sticker. This is all of my stickers from the kit. And then in the bottom is the envelopes, because these envelopes were in that drawer. So now I have them. That one that's in the bottom that doesn't fit standing up this way or sideways. So these are all the sideways ones. This one was in this here. So now I changed that, and you can see what's in this drawer, because I didn't like it that I couldn't see behind that envelope there. So these are all the envelopes, the vellum and the cardstock envelopes that she puts in her kit. So they fit in this drawer. And so they could have made it a little longer, the drawer, because let me move this to the side. See all that space, that wasted space there? They could have made it longer, the drawer, to go all the way to the back, but they didn't. So now this be pushed all the way in, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm putting it to there because I don't like it showing like that it's more in. That's just me. So, oh, and this card, I received it yesterday. Oops, I almost fell. I received it yesterday from Rosa, and I just love it, so I just put it there. And it says fall greetings, and then this is an owl, and it's puffed up with foam tape and trim there. And I think she colored this in, or it looks like she colored it in, or if the card is like that, I don't know. And this, she put foam stickers underneath, so I have it right there. And it's cute what she wrote inside. She said, enjoy the fresh air and new colors of the seasons. Crafty hugs, Rosa. So that was cute. That surprised me. And that was a nice surprise. So I have it right there, so that when I come in, I see that right there. And I had my typewriter there, but I'm gonna put it on that table so that I could use it more. And excuse the mess there. So, yep, that's how it looks. And I think it turned out pretty nice. The only thing, I wish all of these drawers were the same length instead of these being short. Because you see, this one is one, these two are the same length, and then this one is a little bigger, and then that one is a little bigger. So that to me is upsetting. I want them all in one size. Yes, I'm kind of crazy like that. It's my OCD, what can I say? So those Heidi Swapp kits, I took them out of, I hope I don't make you dizzy. I took them out of here. They were in this wired bin, and this was here. So now I just moved it over. So, and I have this in the back, which I don't like, so I'm gonna push it to the front. So these are my little kits that I don't have the cardstock to it. Like the 12 by 12 cardstocks, they go here. And then this is my Park Lane stickers and 6 by 8 cardstock that goes there. And this was from Alex.
Doesn't support that.
Okay. And this was given to me by Alexandra L. And so I just keep it there so that I could see how pretty it is. Because my desk's right there and I always look this way. So, yeah, that is how I organize my Heidi Swapp kits. Let me just share real slow so that I don't make you dizzy. And they're there. So hopefully I could use them now. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you, and leave me a comment if you have any. Oh, and if you're interested in this acrylic drawer, I have the paperwork. It's right here. I did get it from Amazon, but they have other envelopes, as you can see. Sorry for the glare. They have other drawers. Like this one is long, so this one is a 12-inch wide drawer, cosmetic organizer. This is the one that I got, the 4.5-inch tall drawers. And then they have the 6.3/4-inch tall drawers also. And then they have this set here that it goes all on top of each other. So it is from this store right here. But I did get it in Amazon, if you're interested in that. I got the 2 acrylic that I showed you from Amazon. So you can look for that. That's the website for this acrylic drawer, and the one that I bought was this one right here, if you're interested. But they do have a taller one right there. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave it down below. I do get to answer you fairly quick. As always, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good night. Bye bye.